And good morning, Facebook. Happy Monday. It's another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag Community Hub in sunny Cheshire. Showing a bit of promise this morning. Today's weather forecast. You can see the sun's just popping up over the building now. So, yeah. Another chance to be awesome this week. Got a nice quiet week this week. Not a lot booked in. And a couple of ride-alongs this week, and we got one of our members popping down this morning for a software update on a PayGo using the latest dealer tool supplied by Garage Vitals. So we'll have a visitor this morning. Morning, Stephen. How are you, mate? You all right? Oh, what a weekend. Fantastic weekend. Pina Colada Festival in Northwich. Fantastic. Yeah, the queues not so much, but what a day. It was brilliant. And then yesterday, the Lionesses, commiserations to them, but what a brilliant match. And yeah, for somebody who doesn't do football, I'm certainly watching a lot of it lately, but what's going on? Oh, never mind. Yeah, so nice quiet week this week. Thunderbird 2 is going into the body shop this week, go and get tidied up a little bit. Thunderbird 5 diagnosed now. She needs a wheel bearing, so that'll be getting organised. I think Pickler Tools are coming down with their tool van, and we're going to get some video on that. Morning, Dave. How are you, mate? Yeah. So that'll be happening in the near future. So she's coming off the ramp this morning, and yeah, we're driving Thunderbird 5 around for a couple of days. Can't wait. Can't wait. Other than that, turn the camera around. What a brilliant week we had last week. It was absolutely awesome, it was. Yeah, I had a really good week at work. Some fantastic ride-alongs. Morning, Leon. How are you, mate? Oh, well done, mate. Welcome. And Dave's on his way with the Nightmare Peugeot. Can't be bad. And I'm just unlocked now. Just turned the lights on. Just starting to boot all the computers and laptops up. Get them updated, ready for the day. And I've got my first number 9 on the go. So listen, whatever you're doing this week, have an awesome week. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday for yesterday. And if it's your birthday tomorrow, happy birthday in advance. Hey, thanks for watching. You're awesome.